Hello, everyone. This is Jared Navarez, and I'll be presenting to you our CSIS 2810 final project. This is the automatic pet feeder, and I will let my teammates introduce themselves.
I'm Jesus Gonzalez.
Jalen over here.
And I'm Josh Austin.
Okay. I will start by introducing our project. We decided to create a pet feeder because this was a perfect example of applying our software and hardware skills. We decided to give a practical solution to a common problem as feeding your pet, and this is the perfect solution. For an affordable price and not a lot of work, you can create this yourself.
For our design, we decided to hook up a Arduino board to a servo motor that could move a can that could drop some dog food or M&Ms in some cases, and by the press of a button or based off of a timer. And we had to use four AAA batteries in order to be able to do that, connecting to our breadboard and add a resistor just to make sure that we didn't have any connection issues.
All right, thanks Jesus for the explanation of the schematics. So right here I have the dispenser. So I've gone ahead and put M&Ms in here. That's just what I had on hand, but you could trade it out with any dog or cat food you need. Right here we have all of our components, and right here we have this little button which will rotate the servo here and dispense the food out there. We've gone ahead and plugged into this wall with this adapter right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the button and show you how it works. All right, so it goes ahead and dispenses a handful of food so you don't overfeed your pet. And then we have to wait a couple of seconds for it to reset in the code. And then I can go ahead and I can press it again and it will dispense even more food. So you can dispense as much as you want. I'm going to turn the time over to Jay. He's going to explain the timer setup and the future variation of this project. We use the button to kind of demonstrate it better, but we also have a timer version that would be more practical with your pet.
Okay, so this is the alternate variation for the previous video. As you can see, wiring is a little bit different, but it's largely the same. Got the button, got the servo. We just added this resistor and the RTC module to keep track of time. In just like 5 seconds, we'll see this go off. Let's zoom out, I'll talk over. So the way this works is that there'll be scheduled feeding times. I was originally going to have the RTC set its own time using a GPS, but the GPS proved a little unreliable. So I forgoed that, and I didn't have enough time for the user to actually manually enter in the time except through the code. So that's something we'd have to improve in the future, but for right now, this is what we got.
And thanks for watching.